Hello dear students and doctors. Today we will learn BELLIS, the traumatic homeopathic remedy. It is very useful for traumatic injuries of muscles accompanied by soreness. BELLIS is a common European species of daisy. This remedy has a many property in common with other first aid remedies and has a very broad range of uses. For some reason, BELLIS never gained the popularity of our popular remedy Arnica and many of our other first aid remedies. Most people only prescribe it for soft tissue injuries, but I discovered so many other wonderful uses for it. Some of the situations where this cream and the remedy can come in handy. Think of BELLIS for injury to soft tissues and such as the breast and abdomen. For blows and injuries to muscle tissue, bone or blood vessels, think of Arnica. If hardball heat on the breast of woman or from striking the head of the child to breast, etc., if immediately rub this cream on the breast, which relieves pain immediately. I give this remedy internally to a woman who had a liposuction to help heal the soft abdominal tissue. This remedy duplicates many of the properties of Arnica and is also good for sprains and bruises. It is good for the near and remote effects of blows, falls and accident like Arnica. On account of this traumatic property of BELLIS, it is also called bruise wart. This name also signifies the effectiveness in bruise conditions of human body. It is an excellent remedy for bruises and sprains. Traumatism of the pelvic organs, especially uterus and ovaries. Sore bluish feeling in the uterus region is very characteristic of this drug. This feeling is seen after labor in women and it persists for days. Take few doses of it. Will remove this soreness like magic. I use this medicine routinely for difficult labor conditions and bruises for female private parts after labor, and I am satisfied with the results. It is a really wonderful remedy to calm down the labor pain after delivery due to muscle injury to uterus and its bruise condition. This medicine has a peculiar and specific field of action on the female organs, breast and uterus engorged. Status is a one word to describe its main action. Status is the female organism resulting in varicose veins, especially during pregnancy. Inability to walk due to status of blood or varicose veins. Uterus feels as if squeezed. Breast tumors or cancer developing after mechanical injuries. You should think about this remedy. Breast cyst, nodules, lumps after injury. Breast engorged, swollen, bruised. Breast and uterus engorged. Pain worse from heat and better by cold. It is specifically affects circulatory system, producing status in blood circulation. It acts on the muscular fiber of the blood vessels. Injury to the deeper tissues of the body. So injuries and soreness after surgical operation, always consider BELLIS spur if arnica does not help significantly with swelling after surgery. Think of this remedy for painful muscles or rheumatic pains with bluish sore feelings. Spots and exercise, injury, strains also call for this remedy. Injuries to the ligaments like rota, results of injury to the nerve with intense soreness and intolerable of cold bath. Injury to coccyx like hypericum. So BELLIS spur strongly affect the skin condition also. Boils and ecchymosis skin is also one of the active field of action. Boils with sore bluish feeling on skin anywhere on the body. For deeper trauma and septic wounds like calendula. This is good for giddiness of elderly people and for the effect of cold or ice drinks when overheated. Same we see in a bryonia. When you are overheated and you immediately drink cold water and start dry coughing, bryonia, we are always thinking. So all complaints caused by cold drinks or cold bathing when the body is overheated. Complaints caused by cold winds. Complaints of cold and wetness. So when to take BELLIS or its modalities? Whenever the disease condition of body, maybe after labor, after injury, after burn, if this bluish soreness, lameness sensation is present in muscles or skin, you can give this remedy confidently and it will never frustrate you. Even though BELLIS spur has such a wide range of action, for some reason it has not really come into the popularity of the other first aid remedies, with which it shares many properties. I hope that once the excellent therapeutic range of this remedy is more widely known, that it will be utilized more frequently. So that's all regarding BELLIS spur. Stay connected with me on my YouTube channel for more videos on Mathematics. Thanks, stay healthy and blessed.